All right, welcome back, boys and girls. It's time for Koala Bear Math Book with Linker Cubes. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020, and look, lesson 6.6, okay? 6.6 on those comparisons, okay? So, solve the story problem, use comparison bars. Tessa has 15 pins. Sam has 9 pins. How many more pins does Tessa have than Sam? So that's my hopping number. That's forwards or backwards and how many hops. 15 is my total. That's my big number. And this is my smaller number, and this is the difference, okay? So you'll see on the whole page, it's going to be the same. The whole page is the same, but the question they're asking is different, okay? So it's asking how many more pins does Tessa have than Sam? We know Tessa has 15 pins. It's not asking how many pins does Tessa have. It's asking how many more. She has 6 more than him. Hey, that's not fair. You have more than me. Ha ha, I have 6 more than you. Ha ha. Okay, like that. Tessa has 15 pins. Sam has 9 pins. How many fewer, how many less, how many fewer pins does Sam have than Tessa? The answer is the same. The question's different. How many more? How many fewer? How many more? How many less? Forwards or backwards, and how many hops? 6 hops, okay? How many fewer pins does Sam have than Tessa? 6 fewer. She has 6 more, he has 6 less, okay? Tessa has 15 pins. Sam has 6 fewer pins than Tessa. How many pins does Sam have? Okay, so that's our missing number. And Mrs. White filled this all out on Friday and then realized that we didn't, that I already had a Friday lesson, so this was our Friday lesson, so I did a little, that was Thursday, and we had no lesson on Friday, because on Thursday it was 6.4, and then Friday did not have a lesson on here, and so this was for today, so I kind of went a little bit ahead, so this is today's lesson, okay? Tessa has 15 pins, Sam has 6 fewer, so 15 minus 6, okay? How many pins does Sam have? 9. And I know you already know these, but we're just practicing doing it so you can see, oh, it's all part of the same fact family. Good, okay? That's why you see I drew Math Mountain right there so you can connect that and see that it's a fact family, Math Mountain, whatever you want to call it, okay? Number bond. All right, Sam has 9 pins. Tessa has 6 more, so 9 plus 6. Remember here is 15 minus 6 equals 9. Now it's 9 plus 6 equals 15. How many pins does Tessa have? If Tessa has 6 more than Sam, Sam has 9, Tessa has 6 more, that would be 15. Okay, go ahead and pause to make it a screenshot for your answer key. All right, same thing over here. Mrs. White did the whole lesson for Friday and then realized, oh, we didn't have this kind of lesson on Friday. We only had, it was super easy on Friday, wasn't it? We only had this book on Friday. Okay, so Dan reads 9 books. Anna reads 11 books. How many fewer books does Dan read than Anna? We know he reads 9. We know she reads 11. What's the difference? How many fewer? From 9 to 11 is 2 hops. 2 hops backwards. Okay? From 11 to 9. 2 books fewer. Let me see if I have that number line somewhere here. Yeah, I don't know if I have the exact one that you have, but I'm sure I've got a number line around here somewhere. I just saw it. There it is. All right. So, from 11 to 9, 1, 2 fewer or 1, 2 more. Forwards or backwards, and how many hops? So the difference is 2. Okay. Louis makes 7 eggs for breakfast. Emily makes 3 eggs. How many more eggs does Louis make than Emily? What's the difference between 7 and 3? 7 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 more, or 1, 2, 3, 4 fewer. Forwards or backwards, and how many hops? 4 is the difference. 4 is my hopping number. 2 is the difference. That was my hopping number. 4 is the difference. That's my hopping number, okay? Noah has 10 more caps than Ben. Ben has 10 caps. So, this is tricky. Ben has 10 caps, and Noah has 10 more than him. So I go 10 plus 10 more. Ready? So I'm on 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you notice the other ones had like, what was it? 9 and 11. We had 4 and 3 and 7. Okay. We knew the beginning and ending number. We knew what numbers we're comparing. This time we don't. We know one of the numbers is 10 and the other one's 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10, 2 10s. And our total number is 10, 20. So missing number, Noah has 20. He has 20. How many caps does Noah have. And you see how I highlighted in red? That was the missing number, okay? Jen eats 2 fewer carrots than Scott. Scott eats 9 carrots. How many carrots does Jen eat? So 7 was my missing number, okay? And we know Scott has 9 and she has 2 fewer. So I'm starting on 9 and fewer, backwards hopping by 2. So I'm starting on 9, 1, 2, and I land on 7. There's my missing number, okay? Go ahead and pause, screenshot for your answer key. All right, let's get on to our other math book. Koala Bear with no linker cubes. And more practice. All right, Janika draws 4 houses. Let's go ahead and zoom in there. There we go. Janika draws 4 houses. Kelly draws 3 more. Ooh, 3 more. I hear that number, 3 more. Kelly draws 3 more. More or less, that always goes in this bubble, okay? Janika draws 4 houses, but Kelly draws 3 more than Janika. Oh, more than Janika. So Janika, J for Janika, she has the small number, okay? This would not be, you would probably not be able to do this by yourself, okay? That would not something that you'd be able to do by yourself. So this is my missing information right here, okay? So Janika draws 4 houses. Kelly draws 3 more. Don't put 3 there. 3 more than Janika. So it's 4 plus 3. Like a math mountain, 4 plus 3 equals 4. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 hops. 1, 2, 3, and you land on 7. Our missing number is 7. Kelly draws 7 houses. Okay? All right, next one. Oak School has 9 computers. Hill School has 4 computers. Okay, so I know how much they each have. So O for Oak. Oh, I didn't do K for Kelly on that one. Excuse me. There you go. O for Oak and H for Hill School, okay? Hill School has the smaller number. Oak School has the bigger number. What am I missing? Forwards or backwards and how many hops? I know how much here. I know how much here, but what's the difference? How many hops forwards or backwards, okay? I knew my starting number. I knew my hopping number. I didn't know where to end. I know my beginning and my ending, but I don't know my hops. We're going to hop from 4 to 9. Here we go. From 4 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can go backwards if you want to, too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see right here, there's my missing number, and it is 5. That's my hopping number. And what are we counting? Computers. And aren't you glad you have your computer now? Okay. And next one, Lisa makes 8 fewer. Ooh, 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 8 fewer. How many more? How many less? Okay. Lisa makes 8 fewer, so she makes less. 8 fewer pies than Tony. L for Lisa, she makes fewer, less. T for Tony, he makes more. Tony makes 14 pies. Like a math mountain, okay? How many pies does Lisa make? So we're missing Lisa's number, okay? 14 minus 8. You ready? 14 minus 8. I don't know my ending number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And how many does she make? 6. And we're counting pies. Okay, he made 14. Okay, she made 8 less than him, and that means she made 6. So the language is a little tricky. It's hard to figure out from what they're saying what you're supposed to do. That's why you need to do this with a grown-up. Not expecting you to be able to do this by yourself. Okay, it's not easy. All right, next one. Review. You know this. Write numbers from 71 to 80. Well, you might have your number grid at home. And if you don't, I know I've got my number grid here. From 71 to 80. 71 to 80. Okay. And writing those numbers from 71 to 80. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, says solve the story problem, and there we got book right there. I read 6 books last month. I read 6 books this week. How many books did I read in all? 6 plus 6. Easy cheesy lemon squeezy. And you want to do 6 plus 6 equals, and I'm looking for the king of the mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. King of the Mountain is 12. That's my missing number. 12 what? Books. All right, we know this one, boys and girls. Aren't you glad you don't have to take those benchmark math tests right now since you're home? That's a good part about being home, huh? All right, we know this. It's asking for combinations for number partners for the total of 14, okay? Number partners for the total of 14, okay? So we can go 14 all the way across. We can have how many red and how many blue. And let me just show you one of the ways that Mrs. White likes to do it, okay? Get some scratch paper here. And, all right, 14. Okay. Number partners. The number partners have the plus sign in the middle. The plus sign in the middle. The number partners have the plus sign in the middle. Okay, and you can pick any number you want. Okay, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and here I'm going to go 7. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I've got 5, 3, and 8. Just picking numbers. And you can go 1, 2, 3 also. You can do that too. Excuse me. Oh, Mrs. White, back up. There we go. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, another way to do that also, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hi-ya! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And label that 5 and 9. And we can do 3 and 11. 1, 2, 3, hi-ya! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And there we've got 3 and 11. And 8 and 6, here we go. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi-ya! 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mrs. White almost kept going, huh? 5 and 9, 3 and 11, 8 and 6. Okay, let's pause that and screenshot if you need it. Let's go ahead and put that onto here. So, 5. Oh, I did the opposite color, didn't I? I did the opposite colors. Oh, look at me. All right, that's all right. 5 red toy cars and 9 blue. Let's go ahead and put that in the right color, Mrs. White. 5 and 9. And let's see, we've got, let's do it. You know what? Let's do switch partners. Ooh, let's do switch partners. We don't have to do that. Watch. I got a way to fix it. 9 and 5. Mrs. White, just flip it. 9 and 5. Here I've got 11 red. There's red. And we know our colors. Blue, blue, blue. 11 red and 3 blue. 6 red. We can see that right there. Good. 6 red and 8 blue. 9 and 5. 11 and 3. 6 and 8. There you go. All right, down to the bottom, Millie has 15 counters. Sam has 8 counters. Write a sentence comparing how many counters each child has. They sure don't give us a lot of room at the bottom, do they? All right, write that sentence. So Millie has 15 counters. Sam has 8 counters. Sam has blank fewer, because his number is smaller. Fewer, less. It's smaller. Hers is bigger, greater. Sam has blank fewer counters than who? Than Millie. And let's figure out what the difference is. Okay, let's just do a math mountain. 15, 8, and let's find our missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's that missing number? Missing number is 7. Sam has 7 fewer counters than Millie. Period. Okay, go ahead and pause to make a screenshot for an answer key. All right, boys and girls, that should wrap it up for today. Don't forget to get on Think Central. Room 10, I put a lot of Mega Math for the whole unit, all of Unit 6, all of this stuff. All of this stuff, I should say. There's tons of games on Mega Math, okay? All righty. See you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.